This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated seats, cruise control, a Bose stereo system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, stylish premium wheels, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 34,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Auburn Chevrolet is located at 1600 Auburn Way North in Auburn. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.